Csillicrew.
From chilly heat to silly feats.
Hi everyone. As you can see, we are just ordinary people, ordinary kids.
Csillicrew.
And yet, here we are on a Saturday afternoon, sitting in our living room doing science. Because science isn't something hidden away in secret labs or reserved for old guys in white coats. It's something you can do anywhere. Science can be fun. It can happen right at home, so what's holding you back? Come on, join us and be a part of it. Oh, hello guys.
Hello.
What are you doing, guys?
Oh, just drawing because we're bored.
Oh, would you like to do some science?
Yes! Wow, yeah.
Let's start today's episode. The most fascinating aspect of quantum physics is the superposition where a particle exists in multiple states.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, hi, Hannah.
It's nearly Halloween. Let's get this boring science and I'll show you real fun.
Oh, let's do that.
This is the Barfing Halloween Pumpkin, a spectacular chemistry experiment. The pumpkin will look like it's throwing up colourful fire, and then we'll learn how baking soda and vinegar reacts.
Oh, that's interesting. Let's prepare.
A few moments later.
Please be careful and always have an adult help you avoid the accidents.
Grandma, we need an adult! Let's have a pumpkin carving contest. Who will make the funniest or scariest or grossest pumpkin?
Oh, comment below and tell us who craved the best pumpkin.
Vote Team Hannah, Team Liberty, Team Andrews.
A few moments later.
So, what do you think, guys? Which one is the best? No, this is the best. What do you think? Which one is the best? That's the best.
It is kind of good, but Hannah's is kind of better. So I'm voting Hannah's. Yay!
Okay.
And I'm voting yours.
Hannah won this, I believe.
Here are the results. First we had baking soda, then dish soap, and then the colour, then vinegar. Watch this.
Thank you.
excited are you guys?
Let's see what happens.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah. It's cute! Wow, that's so cool!
Don't destroy mine.
You can.
Oh my god, it's about to fall! Guys, it's about to fall! Oh no! Oh my goodness! It's so cool!
Oh, it's going on the floor.
Oh, that's not good. I wish I could touch it right now.
Let's see a replay. Looks cool. Don't you think, guys?
Yeah, it's
Amazing. Yeah.
It is amazing. Oh my
Oh,
god!
good.
Yours is the best, Liberty.
Mine's just dripping blood.
True. Mine is dripping white and blue blood.
I can't actually use it.
That's good.
And I barely used any, so that's why mine.
Oh, that was amazing, guys. Can you tell me what happened?
The baking soda and vinegar creates CO2 gas.
The dish soap traps the gas and makes foam, science foam.
Oh, that was fantastic, kids. You are a real scientist now.
Thank you for joining us.
Don't forget to vote in the community page and subscribe to the channel.
Bye guys. See you next time.
Science, science, science. Why do I always have to clean it up?